crying in Ferrari versus happy in Toyota. This is interesting topic and I'm going to share my thoughts, like what I feel on this, and please do watch till the end. Now, we all have that choice, we have that option that you can go for either Ferrari or you can go for Toyota. Now, the question here is, if you buy Ferrari and if you cry in that Ferrari, by that I mean that if you are not happy when you buy Ferrari, then there is no point in buying that Ferrari. But if you buy that Toyota and if you are happy, then that is a worth purchase. The point over here is that no matter how rich your goal is, no matter how big success is, or no matter the Ferrari which you want, at the end you need to be happy. And if you are not happy when you buy that big Ferrari, then there is no point in buying it. I will tell you simple thing, guys. If there are two people and the first person happens to work very hard and has decent amount of money, and when he comes home he has that sound sleep. He sleeps very well. He don't have any fear of his money getting stolen. But there's a second person who does no hard work but has a source of income and has lot of money. And while sleeping, he has no sound sleep. He is always worried about getting robbed, his money, or his money being getting theft. So he won't be able to sleep properly. And that is where his inner peace is disturbed. So what I feel is that no matter you buy a Ferrari, no matter you buy a Toyota, you need not to go and cry in the Ferrari, or you need not to go in the Toyota or cry in the Toyota. You need to be happy if you buy both of these things. And the ultimate goal is to be having that happiness and having that inner peace when it comes of buying anything. So like I have heard this that money can't buy happiness, and I will love to cry in the Ferrari. No need of crying in the Ferrari, guys. If you have that money with you and if you have bought Ferrari and if you are capable enough of getting such big results, you should also have that knowledge of how to live your life and how to be happy at the end of the day, no matter you buy Ferrari or no matter you buy Toyota. So these were my insight, and I want that you buy any of these things. You have that option. You go for Ferrari, you really want Ferrari, you go out, work hard and get that Ferrari, but at the end you should be happy. And if you want that, no, I will go for Toyota and I will be happy, then you can go for this. At the end we need to be happy, guys, and that is the inner peace where it will keep us going, and happiness is the only one thing which we all look for. So go, guys, no matter you want to buy Toyota or Ferrari, buy them, but be happy at the end. Hope you loved this video, and if you like, please subscribe, please like, please comment, please share your own thoughts on this. Thank you so much.